Hello everyone, this is Nick Perry at Schaefer's Investment Research with your chart slideshow for Thursday, January 24th. And today, I have a new format. Actually, it's an old format. Last month I began playing around with a different look for this, looking at the ETFs as opposed to the broad market indices. The feedback that I've consistently gotten over this time is bring back the old format. So, I went ahead and brought back the quad view, and now we're switching back to the broad market indices since that seems to be what most people want to talk about. Unfortunately, the picture isn't all that pretty. One of the things that we've been discussing, we were in a range. Now we've got a break below that. You look at the SPX and the Dow, both of those firmly broke. You look at the comp, it broke below those lows, and the Russell 2000 is broken below that support it was trying to hold. The problem with that is that technical analysis theory holds that once broken, support becomes resistance. The chart slide shows in the last couple of weeks, one of the things that we discussed was if we did see a breakdown, look for a retest of that former support as resistance. And if you get a rejection there, that's a pretty big warning sign to me. So we've had the breakdown. We're now pushing up into it. We're not quite there yet. Yesterday gave us a move in the right direction. Today we're kind of muddling around. But that level, that former support right there, that's going to be the area to keep an eye on. Again, I talk about support and resistance in terms of zones as opposed to exact lines. It's not uncommon to see ticks above, below, and right around. There's a lot of noise out in the market. But this general area, just below 1400 on the SPX, to me that's a critical area to watch. Basically, if we push up into it and we see a rejection, that's where the rally sort of halts. That's essentially, if you think about it in terms of if this was flipped upside down and we were looking at an uptrend, what you've got then is an uptrend where you see a pullback to support and a bounce off of it. For an uptrend, that's exactly what I want to see. On a downtrend, I take that as a sign that the trend can perpetuate itself. You get the breakdown, the move up, that allows the market to sort of settle down a little bit, and then the initial selling that was there steps back in, and you get this sort of stair-step pattern lower. So the overall takeaway here is we've got overhead resistance. Keep an eye on that. That's what I'm going to be watching in the week ahead. All of the indices have broken below support, and now have to contend with that on the upside. But as always, stay tuned to the blog for further updates. I'd also like to thank everyone who sent in their feedback and told me what they liked and what they didn't like. That helps me give you a better product. So thank you.